Hi guys, Dave's here. Today we're going to be testing some stains on cherry. I'm not messed with cherry any. I think cherry's pretty wood. Well, I take that back. I did use cherry at the plant I used to work with years ago, but that's been 20, 30 years ago. So let's test some stains on it. Okay, you see I put a tape line on there. So I'll put one stain on one side and one stain on the other. And as always, all these other tests I've done, I'll put some pre-stain on it. The only one I'm not going to do is the first little piece here. I'm using Steelwool Vinegar. So let me pre-stain it and then we'll stain. Okay guys, I've got them pre-stained here, all except this one up here. One I'm going to be using Steelwool Vinegar. So let this set on there 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'll come back and stain them. Okay, I've got them all stained here, and I just put one coat on there, and use the manufacturer instructions and everything. Put it on there, wait so long, then wipe the rest of it off. So I've done that, and let's let it dry for 2 or 3 days here, and I'll get back with you. Okay guys, I've let them set for a few days now, so let's go over each one of them here individually and show you what they look like. Okay, this is a Steelwool and vinegar mix. This is Minwax Early American. This is Minwax Sedona Red. This is Minwax Jacobean. This is Minwax Red Mahogany. This is Varathane Vintage Aqua. This is Minwax Gunstock finish. This is Varathane Barn Red. This is Minwax Golden Oak. This is Rustoleum Kona. This is Minwax Red Oak. This is Minwax Dark Walnut. This is Varathane Bleached Blue. This is Minwax Special Walnut. This is Minwax Cherry. This is Varathane Worn Navy. This is Varathane Cabernet with poly. This is Minwax Classic Gray. And this is without any finish at all. This is what the cherry looked like before we done anything to it. Well guys, I hope this helps you out when you're trying to stain your cherry. It kind of gives you some different options here. I kind of like myself the barn red on the cherry and the gunstock finish, but everybody has their own opinions. So I hope this helps somebody, and as always, thanks for watching guys.